Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on skin care with Olay easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your skin care needs. Identify your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination. Choose Olay products that specifically cater to your skin type. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities. Apply a small amount of cleanser to damp skin. Massage in circular motions for about 30 seconds. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Next, use a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. Soak a cotton pad with toner and gently sweep it across your face. Now it's time for a serum. Select an Olay serum that targets your specific concerns, like wrinkles or dark spots. Apply a few drops of serum and gently press it into your skin. Follow up with a moisturizer to lock in hydration. Choose an Olay moisturizer appropriate for day or night use. Apply the moisturizer using upward strokes. Dab a small amount of eye cream using your ring finger. Finish your routine with sunscreen during the day. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen for ultimate protection. Consider incorporating Olay's treatments a few times a week. These can be masks or exfoliating products. Always patch test new products before applying them widely. Adjust your routine based on how your skin reacts. Keeping a simplified routine with Olay can save time and money. Stick to a regimen for best results. Regularly reassess your skin's needs as it can change over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.